yesterday was snowing so hard, and I was like, oh, it looks so pretty. And then in the morning at 6 a.m. when I had to go to work, I was just like, um, I'm dying. And then I had to go, like, it took me 35 minutes to get to work. I'm just like, it looks pretty, it looks nice, but driving is a hassle. Hello, bienvenidos a todos a Super Pretty Doing today. It's your girl Edlene, and welcome to another video where I fangirl over your fave. And today we have SHINee's back. Yes. So finally, it was announced that this month they're gonna release their album, and this is a B-side, "Marry You," and we have the live version of this, which, yes, I cannot wait to hear this. Obviously, I am kind of like sliding from my like actual going song by song released on my timeline. I will get back to that eventually, right now. But because this one came out and you guys requested it, I was like, you know what? Yes. I need to see it now before all the songs hit me. And I'm like, wait, hold on. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm super excited to jump into it. But right before I do, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my SHINee reactions. I am going to be leaving the link to all my SHINee reactions, the playlist, on the description if you want to check them out, okay? Let's go! Living in the love song doesn't have subtitles. Oh, why am I not surprised? We can do this. We can do this. We good. Let's just pull play. Play. There we go. There we go. Sometimes I don't know if it will play or no. Okay. I like this vibe. What song does it run me up? Is it this? Sorry. Warning. Pausing a lot. Talking. Yes. Can we go back to Key Sled? Looks so amazing with this hair. I don't know why. Maybe because it's pulled up like that and it's more noticeable. Damn. It's not a sled. It's a... I don't even know how to say it in English. Scar. There we go. His little... Why do I always forget how to say it in English? It's... the give me a second. Can we call it French hat because I forgot, and every time I edit I remember how to say it. It's just too funny to me. It's hat with like a little earth. Is that Saturn? Yeah, that's Saturn, I think. The color and the red. Oh my god, it looks so good. What do I expect? I can expect this. No, but this sounds like an R, hip hop, R&B, slow. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't know where it will go. Okay. Oh, his color. Amazing. Harmonies a point. Also, can I say that they're telling you to marry you? I want to marry you. That's what they're saying to you. Heck yeah. Whenever. On you with his blonde hair. The ring. I love the ring. The beat, yes. I heard audio. I love this song. I love it. Halfway through the song and it's already gonna go on my playlist. I don't think it's on Spotify yet though. Get it. Oh, onion. I'm sorry. I'm bias wreck. I call Teddy my bias because that's who I knew first. So I'm just like, I'm biased, you know, because I know him first. But I knew, you know. Dear head, please. Yes. Right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. Then Alex, amazing. Yeah, it gives me like that chill R&B type song, you know what I mean? Am I wrong on like the description of, because I cannot describe music at all. Am I wrong on like the genre of this song? You'll let me know. But I love it. It's gonna go on my chill playlist. Amazing. I love it. And my heart, I kid you not, my heart is racing so hard. I'm just like freaking out. I love SHINee so much. And I still have to get to a lot. But you know, slowly but surely I'm getting through it. So definitely excited for their comeback. Definitely will check their album out when it comes out. The music, that title song, all that. Keep me updated. Even though I try to be as updated as I can on Twitter, but sometimes, you know, your girl misses something, you know. Life stuff. Yes. Let me know in the comments down below what was your opinion on this song. And which one was your favorite outfit? I'm sorry, but you know, Key, my king. He's my fashion king. Yes. Let me take a deep breath and finish this. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know you're enjoying all my SHINee reactions. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. So we can be on the road to 3K. Yes. Amazing. For my boys, SHINee boys. They always kill it. They always kill me. And yeah, if you have any suggestions from SHINee, from other things that you want me to react to, other groups, other soloists, solo from them, do let me know on the comments. And if you have any links, do send me those on my social media. So yeah, you can follow me on my Twitter where I post some random memes and random tweets and random stuff. Or on my Instagram where I pretend that I'm cool even though you're going cool. But hey, follow me over there. Yeah, if you link of the video you send me over there, gets picked, I do give you a shout out. heads up. And if you are following me over there, say hi to me because I respond. I'm gonna be leaving the links to all of those on the description if you want to go follow me there. Okay? Don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios!